So I will give you one sentence, one small sentence. You will add three or four more sentences. I want you to become the customer and I will become the customer care executive of Jio or Airtel or whatever, right? आपको अपना complaint दिखाना है. आप अपने complaint को अगर इतने प्यार से बोलेंगे तो फिर the person will not take you seriously. It is human nature, right?
Hello, sir. Good
Hi,
afternoon.
Mansi. Welcome,
How are
welcome.
you? I'm good.
I'm audible
How
to
about
you?
you?
Oh, I'm
Yes.
well, Mansi. I'm well. Right. We are meeting after a gap, isn't it?
No, sir. It's our first meeting.
Okay, okay. Because you're sort of similar to someone else that I had classes some time back, right? So your
Okay.
face is very much identical to that other person, right? So
Okay.
I was assuming that you're the same person, although I don't meet that individual very frequently, but then still you kind of it resembles their face. And what got you started with your English communication? What made you feel you should do that?
Vocabulary, sir. And long sentences.
Okay.
I
So
want to learn these two things.
you want to make long sentences? Is this what you want to do?
Yeah. And
Right.
vocabulary also, I want to learn.
Right. Of course, we'll do that. But I think what you really want is not long sentences because you want to be able to speak for a long duration. That is what you want,
Yeah, it would be.
right?
Yes.
You want to you want to be able to elaborate things for a long duration, right?
Yeah.
Long sentences are bad. We should have
Okay.
short, we should have short sentences, but we should be able to speak for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, right? We should be able to speak for a long duration, but sentences should be short, correct? Long
Oh,
sentences will always be more confusing, will attract more grammatical errors. So sentences should be standard sized, short or standard sized, but they shouldn't be long. Never, never. Okay, all right. So, Mansi, give me one example of last conversation you had with anyone, maybe in your professional place, maybe in your personal capacity, where you felt that, oh, I'm not doing a good job. Maybe I should do a little better. Something that like this happened, and you felt that to kuch karna padega, right? Tell me about that last conversation you had with someone, and you felt bad about it.
okay. Yesterday I had Shasha. She was talking about AI. I do not know much about AI. So at that day, I thought like I'm not aware about it. So I should start knowing about it. So that was the last experience. Yesterday I got it. Mhm.
Okay. See, knowledge is something which is never enough, right? If I start talking to you about forests and my experience of camping in forests, you may not have enough knowledge about camping in forests, correct?
Yes.
So it's not that you're being judged, but you may not have enough knowledge, and it's okay. Someone else who
Okay.
has a lot of experience in sports, right? And I'm someone who has never played any good sports. And if I
Mhm.
don't know much about sports, doesn't mean that I'm stupid or I'm dumb. I just don't have knowledge in that particular area, correct? Similarly, if you are speaking about AI and you don't have enough knowledge about AI, you don't have knowledge about AI, but doesn't make you dumb about it, right? Sure.
Okay.
ठीक. All right, let's have a quick conversation on a topic. Let's see how it goes, and we'll see how you frame your sentences. Today's assignment is about a telephonic conversation. Yep.
Hmm.
A telephonic conversation with your mother or your sister or your friend is different from a formal communication, right? If you're having a call with, let's say, the customer support of Airtel or Geo or whatever, right? Then that conversation demands a different kind of attention, a different kind of speaking and tone and all of that, right? Let's do a quick task. I want you to become a No, I want you to become the customer and I will become the customer care executive of Geo or Airtel or whatever, right? And let's see how you speak over the phone. Shall we?
Mhm. Yes, sure.
Okay. Okay.
Hmm.
Thank you for calling Airtel. May I know your name, please?
Hello, sir. My name is Mansi.
Hello, Mansi madam. How are you?
I'm good, sir. What about you?
I'm well. Thank you very much. Can you please
Okay.
tell me about the reason you called up today?
Okay, sir. I'm facing a little bit problem with Geo network, so that's why I called you. I want to fix this problem. While I call, at that time, network is not good, and it is happening for 4 to 5 days. Could you please
Sure,
help me?
madam.
Hmm.
Sure, madam. I'm very sorry about your bad experience. I apologize for the inconvenience. I have to check the network connectivity if you're of your area in my system. I have to put your call on hold for 1 or 2 minutes. Can I do that?
Sure, sure, sure.
Thank you. Thank you for waiting. I just checked that there is a construction of road in your area, and
Yes.
they have disconnected and they have dug up the whole area, and some of our network cables have been affected by that.
Oh,
So we
that's
are
a
yeah, so we are working on it, and it may take another 2 more days for the problem to be fixed.
oh my God.
I understand, madam, that you may be using internet for your job or whatever purpose, but there are some things which are not in the company's control. So if the municipality or any other agency or any government agency they do any construction, we face this problem. Although we try as soon as possible to fix the problem, but there is nothing that we can do immediately. It just takes some time to
Okay.
fix it.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam. Is there anything else I may help you with today?
No, thank you so much. Have a good day.
All right. Have a good day. Thank you. Okay. I will give a feedback on this कि आपने क्या किया. But first, I will flip the role now. Okay. Now I will become the customer and you will become the executive. ठीक है?
Okay.
ठीक है. Start.
Hello, sir. How can I help you? Huh?
I don't think you can help me. 5 people
Oh,
before you have already been useless. I
oh
don't know why you people are getting your salary. Your company
my
should
God.
shut down. I will change from
What
Airtel
happened,
to
sir?
Jio.
What happened, sir? Could you please tell me why you are telling like this?
How many people should I tell? 5 people have already wasted my time.
Sir, you are talking to me for the very first time. Could you please tell me what is your problem? What happened to you?
No network in my area. 5 days. My work is done. Work is stopped.
Okay, sir.
What is
Okay, sir. Let me check. Let me check. Could you please wait for a while? Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. As I can see, there is some construction work, so that's why no network in your place, in your area. It will take 4 to 5 days.
4 5 days? How will I work for 4 5 days? Will you do my work if 4 5 days I'm not able to work without internet?
Yes, sir. I can easily understand your problem, but sir, please try to understand this is also very important work. So, because of this reason, we are unable to serve our services. So, please manage for a while and for some times, and we will serve uh, our good services to you.
All right. Let me see if this is going to work out. I'll wait for 4 5 days. Otherwise, I'll change to Geo.
No, no, sir. No, no, sir. We will do it within 2 or 3 days. Don't worry, sir. Everything will be okay. Anything else, sir?
No, thank you.
Okay, sir. Have a good day.
Okay. Now you have to tell me. ठीक है, it's okay. You have to tell me with your understanding what was the difference between both the calls in your own performance and also my performance. What differences did you see?
I made many mistakes while talking about wire and all, and you were so confident. I was so confused. That was the difference. Hmm.
Okay. This is the second call. Okay.
Okay.
And what about in the first call?
In first call, that was my first experience about it because I did not do anything before as like this. So I was learning from that, like how to talk, which type of question I can ask. So I was learning. I was thinking a lot while talking. Mhm.
Let me tell you about the first call first, right? In the first call, you are the customer, I am the executive, right?
Yeah.
You are behaving more like an executive, right?
Okay.
You're being very nice and sweet and humble. I don't mean to say that you have to be arrogant, or I don't mean to say that you should be, shouting or anything. No. But
Okay.
you are coming here with a problem. You have to talk about a problem. If you're so nice and sweet and shy and then the
Actually,
person
can make
in
me full.
front of you, the executive will not take you seriously. Will not.
Yes.
आपको अपना कंप्लेंट दिखाना है. आप अपने कंप्लेंट को अगर इतने प्यार से बोलेंगे तो फिर द पर्सन विल नॉट टेक यू सीरियस. इट इज ह्यूमन नेचर, राइट? इट इज जस्ट ह्यूमन नेचर. इट्स नॉट अबाउट you or me or anyone else, right? If you have a complaint, give it the right tone. You don't have to be bad or impolite or rude. No, that's not what I'm saying. But at least there should be some assertiveness.
Okay,
It
sir.
doesn't
Yes.
even look like you have a problem. ऐसा लग रहा है कि कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है, राइट? आप सिर्फ इन्फॉर्म करने के लिए कह रहे हो, राइट? So that's
Okay,
one.
okay.
Well, that's one thing. Second is that in the second call where you were the executive, The person who is calling you is trying to overpower you, right?
Yes.
आप पर चढ़ने की कोशिश कर रहा है सामने वाला व्यक्ति, right?
Hmm.
And as an executive, you don't have the power to, reject this person, but you can also be a little more self respectful, correct?
Okay.
So that was missing. You were not giving yourself the self respect. So whenever someone says that you should be fired from the job, you shouldn't be working, you shouldn't be doing this, doing that, you should say that, sir, I understand you have a problem, but it has got nothing to do with my job. I'm an executive. I'm not
Okay.
doing work on the ground. I can only provide you information, correct?
Oh, wow.
I will
Hmm.
try my best to solve the issue, but if the problem is with on the ground, if the towers are not working or if the cable has been disconnected, it will take some time. It is obvious, right?
Hmm.
Again, here a little more assertiveness along with calmness, right? At certain point of time, ऐसा हुआ कि आप थोड़ा वो करने लगे ना, हाँ हाँ, I will help you, ये कर, that that inability to stay calm was coming out, correct? You have to maintain your calmness while maintaining your own dignity, correct?
Okay.
Both the things will go hand in hand. See, you are not a customer care executive, but this is one form of communication, and here we
Hmm.
are trying to learn all forms of communication, right? So tomorrow you will become a principal, I'll become a teacher. Tomorrow you'll become a parent, I'll become the teacher, right? So when we put ourselves in different forms of communications, then we know what is the right and the wrong forms that we often commit. Yeah. Okay, take it. Got some ideas? Some
Yes,
ideas?
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Take
Not
it.
some, many ideas.
चलिए ठीक बहुत अच्छे. Now we will do some sentence exercise, right? Sentences. So I will give you one sentence, one small sentence. You will add three or four more sentences. तीन से चार sentences आप add करोगे. For example, I'll say the sky is blue. Okay, you'll say the sky is also very vast. It has so many mysteries hidden in it. People have tried to explore the skies a lot, but we still know very less. हो गए चार sentence. Right? मैंने सिर्फ इतना कहा the sky is blue. आपने तीन चार और add कर ली. You added couple of more sentences. Okay, got the exercise?
Yes.
ठीक है. My mother is the best.
My mother is the best because she understands me easily. She is my one of the most favorite friend or person in my life. I can share everything with her. She's so mature. She's so easygoing person, and she never scold me. She's my best friend.
Okay, चार sentences करने थे. Okay, now you used a word one of the best friend या person ऐसा कुछ आपने
Friend.
कहा. Right? After one of, we always use plural form. One of
Plural.
the
I
best
know.
friends, right? One of the friend नहीं होगा, friends होगा.
One
One
of
of
the
the teachers
best
होगा,
friend.
right?
Mhm.
Teacher नहीं होगा, right? So always a plural form after one of, correct? Right. Next, um, life of a teacher is hard.
Life of a teacher is very hard and difficult too because you will tackle with lots of students. You never know which type of student you are going to get, and you have to make them understand equally. And you will get some smart student, you will get some average student, you will get some poor students. So you'll have to manage them equally, and you will have to treat them equally. You can't differentiate between them that you are good and you are bad.
Four sentences. A class topper is not average.
Average.
Is not average.
Hmm. Class topper is not a average student. It is something else. Because if you want to be a topper, you must have to work hard. You will study hard for 20 hours in a day. If you work hard, then you will be praised. You will be getting lots of gifts also, and in your family also you will be recognized easily, and everybody will praise you. And teacher will also love you, support you. They will help you directly, indirectly, and it will help you to boost your confidence also. And if we work hard, then we can achieve many things.
Good one. Good answer. ठीक है. ठीक है. You don't have. It's not a perfect or the best answer, but I'm seeing if you're अच्छा. मैंने कहा a class topper is not average. तो आपने कहा it is
It
it
is,
should
yeah.
ना? एक व्यक्ति को हम इट नहीं बोल सकते,
Yeah.
राइट? ही या शी या दे ऐसे कुछ बोल सकते हैं, राइट? सो इट कैन नॉट इट. ओके, वन और टू मोर कर. Luxury brands are a scam.
Sometimes we run behind the brand, and if we buy something from a very big brand, and the things may be cheaper, if you buy a good brand product, you'll have to spend lots of money. And if you want to purchase something from a local brand, you will not have to spend lots of money. You can save your money.
ठीक है, one more. Staying healthy takes discipline.
Yes, surely. Staying healthy takes discipline. If we follow a healthy routine, then we can be healthy. We are getting up early in the morning, we are doing exercise, we are following good healthy, like we are having good healthy food, then we can be healthy. And we must be health conscious to be healthy and fit.
Okay, good one. Take that, right? Now we'll do sentences by single words. All right. I'll give you a single word. You'll make a sentence out of it. Make a sentence using gratitude.
Gratitude. We should always show our gratitude toward our elders, teachers, and
Make a sentence using maintenance.
maintenance. Everything needs maintenance if you want to keep that for a long time.
Everything needs maintenance if you want to preserve it for a long time.
Preserve it for the long time.
Keep भी कहा जा सकता है, preserve ज़्यादा बेहतर है. ठीक है, all right. Friendly.
I'm so friendly. My nature is too friendly. I can talk to anybody with my same nature.
Make a sentence using essential.
Essential. Teaching is essential part of my life.
Teaching is an essential part of my life. ठीक है,
Teaching is an essential part of my life. Learning is an essential part of my life.
ठीक है. Global.
English is a global language. We all must learn it.
Just a moment. गीता जा रही हो क्या? एक सेकंड रुक जाना. एक मिनट. Make a sentence using disturbance.
Where I live, there is lots of disturbance, so I can't focus on my studies.
Correct. ठीक. Okay. Anything from your side, Mansi, for the day?
I did that role play, and I really want to learn some professional talk.
Sure, of course. We can do a lot of workplace communication. We can do, official communication. We can do a lot of stuff. हो सकता है.
Okay, sir.
चलिए. All right. मिलते हैं next time.
Thank you,
Thank you.
sir.